Here I have POCO F7 and let me show you how to easily delete the duplicate photos on the following phone. Let's start by opening the gallery. In the right corner you can see these three dots. Let's tap it and select here free up space. As you can see, the phone is detecting the duplicate photos. 72 megabytes can be freed up. So let me do it. Let's see the duplicate photos I have right here. And for example, let me choose some of them. You can select all. You can choose this option to keep best shots. It's really useful. The phone automatically choose the best shots, and you can delete all of them. In my case, let me just select a few of them and let's choose delete photos. Tap delete again, and 4 items were deleted. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.